In our last vlog we shared our first 48 hours in Ibiza, from our hotel in Santa Eulària to stunning southeast beaches and the island's biggest outdoor market. Today we're taking you on a walking tour of Santa Eulària, exploring the harbour, the promenade and the town's crown jewel, the beautiful Puig de Missa. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and drop any questions you have about our travels. Now let's go. After spending the morning by the pool, we thought we'd pop into Santa Eulària.
Oh, you sounded a bit Spanish.
Oh, I did, didn't I? Wow. Have a wander around. Might even find the odd geocache or two. And over there, that is one of the many miradors in Ibiza. We're going to make our way up there, aren't we?
Okay.
Yes, okay. See, oh, very good. Is Ibiza falling into the ocean? Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Oh, that's narrow. We can do that, can't we? Oh, we want to be safe. We want to be safe. Hoping this is the way to the top, heading up to the Mirador, straight up there. Burn off all these cakes we've been eating every evening. We've made it. Whew. Well done. Oh wow. It's, oh my lord, it's a long way down. Wow. It's not too strenuous a hike to get up here. It's definitely worth it for the views. The lane is in the forest. Searching for a geocache, I can only imagine. Great view of the harbour, that's where we're going next. Beautiful afternoon here, absolutely beautiful. Right, the hint says in the wall. Ooh, they're waiting for me on geocache. If you don't know what a geocache is yet, check it out online. Boats are getting bigger and bigger. They're getting more impressive as we go along this harbour. Got to look for a dinghy, that'll be ours. Don't you think these look like chess pieces? Bishops. Looks like a cycling club. I think they've just finished. It's been warm for them today. At the moment I can't remember the name of that place, so I'm going to put it on the screen right now. You can either walk or drive to the top there, and it's also supposed to have very nice views. Meanwhile, we're on a footpath in search of another geocache, enjoying another pleasant afternoon's walk. Lovely and quiet. We do like coming to these Spanish islands out of season, and Ibiza is our choice this time round. Two main reasons. Firstly, it's that little bit cooler, still very pleasant, but mid-20s is perfect. And two, out of season, it's a lot quieter as well. So from here we're going left, head back down towards the ocean. After all the floods and storms, I can only imagine this is some of the debris that was cleared up, or they have large moles.